In the valley of the White Mountains of New Hampshire, adventure is calling. From the moment you first set foot inside our campground, you'll feel an invitation from the great outdoors to come be part of it. Be part of the relaxation. Be part of the discovery. Be part of lazy river days where we lose track of time as we spend it in the best way possible. There's a whole world of summer memories waiting downstream from the hustle and bustle of everyday life, and the destination around the bend inviting you to jump in is Saco River Family Camping. Here's your sign to come take a load off. Here's your family moment in the sun where the days move at your speed and the carefree hours we spend enjoying everything there is to do together allows us to reconnect around our shared adventure. Play, explore, live free. Every step along the way brings us closer to the heart of what we love about the great outdoors and about treating ourselves to the very best of a camping vacation that makes it all about you and your quality time together. And the call to unwind continues at your site, where settling in and making yourself at home is all part of the White Mountains welcome. And the moments we share along the way tell the story that gets written about our camping getaway together. It's about making memories. It's about the smiles. It's about losing hours at a time and not a single second of it wasted. The call to come find out what it's all about is heard in every corner of the campground. And when we answer that call, we find a whole new way to enjoy an outdoor experience that takes us along for a ride that we remember for a lifetime. In the White Mountains region of New Hampshire, your adventure is calling. Come live it with us, together, at Saco River Family Camping.